let me know and I'll shoot like three salvas at the same time.
Yeah, I'm recording it right now.
Alright, let me know when you see the base. Can you actually see the base from there?
Yeah, I can see the base from here. I can start the base from here.
Let me know when you're ready. Alright, from the second you start recording, there's going to be like 40 seconds until impact, so should I let you know?
I've already started recording.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oops. Oh god, that was beautiful. Just sniped some guy. That was a beautiful shot.
Alright, here it comes. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Gonna kill anyone this time? You've blown up so much on the inside. It's actually ridiculous. Like, I can see smoke coming off the inside of it.
Did you see my last one? My surprise?
Near me? Really?
The one that was like 20 meters from you?
Yep. Oh, there's a guy zeroed in.
By the way, if you want to have a go at this, just come to me.
No, I'm trying to kill this guy that's building a space at the moment.
Ooh, mark him.
I believe that's the marker.
If you give me a marker, you know magic can be done.
Base marker. Active.
Copy, copy.
Let me get on it. Stand by, let me get accept marker on his actual position and that base. There, let's accept. Have fun. There's two guys, what? So just pummel the shit out of that base. If he exposes himself, he's dead. It's the funny part.
I'm pretty sure he's already kind of dead.
Yeah, he's still on the roof, so he's like a hospital. He's getting engaged there as well by another player.
Alright, you ready for him to shit his pants?
Yeah. That's beautiful. Get wrecked, man. Get fucking wrecked. They just got shat on.
Holy fuck.
That's amazing, Stormborn. Well done. Just parachute on top of the base again.
Do you want me to keep hitting it?
Fire!
Hold on, I need to refuel. Oh, we are.
500k. How do you have 500k to rearm it?
$500.
Oh.
Yep. That's all it takes, mate.
That's really good, actually.
I have to change pants now. Be right back.
Oh, see you guy. Other base location.
Other base location?
On the DMS or whatever, What's the contours lines down? What's that?
The contour line?
Yeah, like you know the little arrowheads
Oh.
down. What do
I'm
those
not
resemble?
completely sure. I would guess 50 or 100. Do you want me to just give the guy in the base a little bit of a shock?
Yeah, he's still on the roof. No one's on the roof of that building, but there's still some guys on the roof and the other guys. The second base we marked.
Alright. Reloading.
But I'm in such a good sniper position.
Dude, I don't think they'll have time to look for snipers.
You already sent the silos.
Yeah, they're on the way. That's for the first base up by the vehicle store. Here comes the one for the second one.
By the vehicle store. Oh yeah. I'm only trying to get in the compound next, so
Alright.
I've marked comp of where the compound is on that base.
Alright. Should be 7 rockets on the way towards the base you marked earlier.
Oh, Gorgon.
Dude, with the cost of refueling this, there's like nothing I can't do.
Do they? Is that a tank? A little
think
bit
he's
inaccurate.
talking about me.
Bad tank. Correct and say artillery. Oh, there's a guy coming in to land on that
Is he
base.
pooping himself?
So there's a parachute landing on the base. Good hits. I think it's about time I relocated. Tell them that I'm coming in to negotiate with them.
Really?
Yeah, I'll just drive in. Say I'm coming in with an effort to negotiate. Oh fuck! Help! That went well.
What just happened?
I think I just got killed by the Stratus Patrol.
We should have these. Uh-oh. They've marked my location. I should get out of here.
Wait, what? Have they marked your location?
Yeah.
No way. Have they actually
Yeah, it's
done
the
that?
admin probably.
Oh. Oh, for fuck's sake, admin, really? I'll just delete it, honestly. Why don't you just delete it?
Because the person who's there is probably gearing up with rocket launchers right now.
No, I've already I've deleted it for you, so no one else can figure out where you are.
Yeah, but the person who placed the marker, either it's an admin, or it's the person who saw it and is now running to get, like, you know.
80. Just get out of there, man.
I am getting out of there, but now I only have...
A Gorgon killed me, man. I'm not happy.
It's not gonna give me his real gift creator. Well, the sad part is 065059.
My car is stuck in the sand. Where is the fuel tank in the sports hatchback? Oh, stormborn.
Hmm?
Where's the fuel tank in the sports hatchback?
Like on the back underside, I think.
That's not good, I've run out of ammunition. Perfect. I'm safe. No way. Actually does work.
What does work?
You place a grenade and then jump to the vehicle, you're safe. Until it actually destroys your fuel. And then it refuses to blow up.
Mate, we need to hide this somewhere.
Where do you want to hide it?
I'm thinking the best way to hide it would be to create a small platform in the ocean and helicopter it onto there.
Maybe.
But then again, that would probably take more time than we're willing to spend.
To be fair, I'm probably going to be heading off soon.
Yeah.